How to use green screen effects from YouTube in CapCut. First, open the platform you use to screen record on your device. I will be using QuickTime. Find the green screen effect on YouTube you want to pull into your project. Screen record the green screen video from start to finish. Some videos have a download link. Be cautious about copyrighted material. Now import the recording into your CapCut project. Remove the parts of your recording that you wish not to use. Now place the effects you want to use in the overlay section of the timeline above your video and line it up with where you wish the effect to take place within your project. Now we will crop our recording to only show the green screen effect. Next, we will make sure our green screen effect is highlighted and click on the Cutout tab on the right-hand side of our editing dashboard. Select Chroma key and then the Color Picker tool and click on the green within our screen recording clip. Adjusting the strength will remove the green background of our clip and cause the effect to blend into the project. Follow this process again for any other effects you wish to pull from your screen recordings. Let me know if you need help with anything else in CapCut in the comments section below.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please take the time to like, comment and subscribe, as it helps us to further please our YouTube overlords. Check out more links in the description for continued assistance on your CapCut projects, and please keep your arms and legs inside the craft until it comes to a complete stop. Be sure to mind your headspace and watch your step as you exit. Failure to comply may result in serious injury or death. We will see you next time, Comet creators. End transmission.